Yes, student, today we are going to learn some types of angle. Number first, we are taking adjacent angle. Number second, linear pair of angle, vertically opposite angles. All the three are pair of angles. So let us understand these through some figures. Suppose if we have a ray, one ray is also attached with it. We get an angle. If we draw through the same point another ray, we get one more angle. So here we are observing that these two angle, let me name it as angle 1 and angle 2, these two angle 1 and angle 2, both of them are joined to each other. Why they are joined to each other? Because they have this arm as common arm. That's why they are said to be joined to each other. Then we will say both the angles are adjacent angle. Then we'll say angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angle. So we can define adjacent angle as those angles which have one common arm. One common arm are called adjacent angle. Are called adjacent angles. So such a figure is forming adjacent angle. If this arm which is at the middle is common, then these two which are at the outside of the angle are said to be non-common arm. One is common arm and the two are non-common arm. Come to the next. If we have this as a arm, one more arm is there, and another arm is such that it is just opposite to the first ray. Again we are having two adjacent angle, angle A, angle B. Now I am marking as angle A and angle B. Angle A and angle B. Both A and B are again adjacent angle because they have one common arm. But if we compare both the figures, we can easily observe that here the non-common arms, they are not opposite to each other. But in case of second, these non-common arms are just opposite to each other. So if you find such type of adjacent angle, then these adjacent angles are said to be forming linear pair. Why they are forming linear pair? Because these non-common arms are forming a straight angle, straight line. So if adjacent angles are such that their non-common arms are opposite to each other. When we say they are opposite to each other, it means they are forming a straight line. Then they are said to be linear pair. Now let us do the third part, that is vertically opposite angle. If we have two lines such that the two lines are intersecting each other means they are crossing each other through a single point. So we can observe four angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here if we observe these four angles carefully, we are finding that angle 1 is just opposite to angle 3 and angle 4 is just opposite to angle 2. So if you have such pair of angle, then they are said to be vertically opposite angle. Then we can say angle 1 and angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. This point you have to note down, that vertically opposite angles are formed only when we have intersecting lines. Here we cannot find any vertically opposite angle. Here also we cannot find any vertically opposite angle. If I will draw one more figure, let the figure be like this. I am drawing it like this. If you see this figure carefully, here also we have 4 angles, but the lines are not intersecting line. This line seems to be straight line, but this is one ray, this is another ray. These two rays are not forming a straight line, so we cannot say these two as intersecting lines. Since they are not forming intersecting lines, so this angle is not vertically opposite to this angle. Why? Because this is not a straight line, and this is also not vertically opposite to this angle. So this point you have to note down always for vertically opposite angle, that there must be intersecting lines. Then only we can find the vertically opposite angles. Thank you.